Check out this electric display courtesy of Mother Nature. This amazing time-lapse shows non-stop lightning and thunder over Western Australia. It's really cool. Photographer Jeff Green captured this incredible video on December 15th. He says that these nighttime displays were a result of a heat wave that has lasted for weeks and is spawning storms like this every other day.
See this away. Look, what is that? What is that?
That is so good.
Isn't that weird? I so hope I got that on video. The lightning was right there and that's what happened after the lightning.
That's good. Ah, it's not in the rain. It's what happens though. You won't be able to see it.
What is that?
It's the Northern Lights in ᴑᴏʀᴇ.
It's the Northern Lights in ᴑᴏʀᴇ. That is so weird.
So you can see it like this always in Layla.
But if I go away, it's still there. Look, it's still there. Even if I get out of zoop. Hello.
Some kind of light coming on.
Yeah. Look at it.